Shah.
Okay, you should start.
Which quote inspires you the most?
The quote is everything happens for good. Whatever happens to you is for your good. If you fail, it is a lesson for you. If you pass your any adventure, it is I think a success for you.
Okay,
That's great.
right. Good. You're giving response as well.
Long term or short term? Sorry.
What are your goals?
Long term or short term?
Both.
Long term.
Both. She said both.
He said
No! You are saying long term or short term. I said both. Domain. Yeah.
My short term goal is to get admission into McGill University, Canada, and my long term goal is to be a successful mining engineer.
The language is overall good. Yeah.
What motivates you?
What motivates you? What motivates you?
The hard work my parents have done, that is the thing that motivates me. I don't want to see other people suffer as my parents suffer for me.
What makes you unique?
I don't think so. I'm unique. I think I'm a good follower and a good leader. So that is something that not everybody has.
Alright, overall it's good. Just be more confident. थोड़ा सा चेहरे के तरफ थोड़ा फ्रेंडली करें. ऐसे बात. नींद आ रही है. कोई बात नहीं. अभी वो लोरी वाले भी हमारे पास बैठे हैं. ठीक है, आपको भी लोरी दिलवाते हैं. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.